Hello everyone and welcome for a new YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I paint my crystal geode, faux crystals with acrylic paint. I'd like to mention that it's not going to be a video tutorial but more like a demo. I got the full tutorial, 40 minutes video now available on my Patreon. So if you want to support myself and help, you can now subscribe on my Patreon page and have many videos on how to paint with acrylics and many art tutorial. Okay, so I've started by mixing my three different colors here, some Payne's gray, white and beige. I'm doing a rough sketch of my geode, and by geode I mean where we have the lines and the stone and yeah, like a nugget slice, if you know what I mean. Now I'm placing my tape just to masking where my crystals are going to be. You will see what I mean in few minutes. I'm cutting here a rough shape of what the crystal will look like, at least the first row of crystals. Now I'm going to paint, now that I've put my mask with the tape, I'm going to paint the background color. This is going to be more like a blurry effect with some dark blue. I have also a video on YouTube where it shows you how I blend my colors with acrylics and what my secrets are to have this beautiful blend. Now I'm shaping the first row of crystals that are a little bit sharper. Now here come the magic part where I remove my tape and reveal the first row of crystals, the brighter and the sharper ones. Here you can see. And I'm going to paint over this design to create beautiful 3D-like crystals. Here I'm adding layer by layer different shade of gray, lighter ones, medium one, and darker ones. And then I will add all of my highlights with some white to create a really bright and shiny crystals. Here I'm using Posca pen. I really like these ones to create fine details, and they are really easy to use. Now I'm redoing my geode agate slice part and repainting, the lines. And yeah, I'm using different shade of Payne's gray mixed with the white and the black. I'm adding extra lines and details here. And now I've decided to add some extra colors like teal colors to my crystals with a little brush. Here it is, I finished my painting. I'm removing my tape and I will show you all the little details. I really like the 3D effect in this painting. Here is a closer look of it. Thank you if you've watched the entire video. Leave a thumbs up if you like it. And also, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my Patreon here. Thank you for supporting me and help the channel growth. Wish you all a nice day and see you for a new video. Bye. Bye guys.